The Polestar Infotainment system, powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, can sometimes encounter glitches. There are two main reset options: a reboot, which is a soft reset, and a factory reset, which is a hard reset. A reboot is like restarting your smartphone. It clears temporary memory and resolves minor issues like app lag or unresponsive screens. To perform a reboot, press and hold the power button on the center console for 3 to 5 seconds until the screen restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes all user data, apps, and settings, restoring the system to its original state. This is used for more severe problems or before selling the vehicle. Before a factory reset, back up your data as this process is irreversible. To perform a factory reset, first ensure your Polestar is parked and in a safe location. Then navigate to Settings, System Advanced, Reset Options, Erase all data. Confirm with your PIN or Google account. The process may take 10 to 15 minutes, and the system will restart. Note, for Polestar 4 models, you might need USB tethering for offline resets if you have connectivity issues. Factory resets should be a last resort due to the risk of data loss. Contact Polestar support for guided assistance if needed. Remember that Polestar releases frequent OTA updates to improve stability. Ensure your system is up to date to minimize the need for resets.